Mrs. S.E. Stander. Program is Office Administration. Subject, Office Data Processing, Level 3. Topic to be covered is Topic 3, File Management. Reference material, Office Data Processing for MS Office 2010, Level 3, page 68 to 88. Resources required is a textbook and a computer. Module 5, Unit 5.2, Navigate folders, delete folders, move files and copy files. Navigating folders. What does that mean? Navigating means moving around in your computer's file structure to locate files and folders in order to move, copy, and delete files. So if I go to my Windows Explorer, there's my file. So navigation means I go in and I search for the files that I'm looking for and which files do I want to delete or copy. Deleting a folder or a file. To delete a folder or a file, you can do the following. You locate the file that you want to delete. So if I want to delete a file, I go to the file that I want to delete. Let's say I want to delete in Life Orientation, the file that I saved there, my Excel file. I select the file or the folder. Select means I click on it once so that it becomes blue or highlighted. And then you just press the delete key on your keyboard and your file will be deleted. So first I locate the file that I want to delete. I click on it so that it's blue or highlighted, and then I press delete on my keyboard. Moving and copying files to different folders. Occasionally, you may need to change where your files are stored on your computer. For example, you might want to move a file to a different folder. You have created a file in your one of your folders, but you realize that it's in the wrong place. You want to move it, or you want to copy it to another designated file. So how do I do that? Copying a file or a folder. You can do the following to copy. Right-click on the file or the folder you want to copy. Right-click. I want to move that assignment 1 that I saved, that is a Word document, into my Assignments 2020 folder. I want to copy it there. So I can just right-click on the file or the folder I want to copy. I can go to Copy, click on Copy. I go to Assignments. I right-click on Assignments and I click on Paste. Now if I open Assignments 2020, there will be another Assignment 1 in there. So there's a copy means you make another copy of the document. So there's one in my Office Practice folder and there's one now in my assignment folder. If I want to move a file or a folder, it is the same principle, but remember now there's a difference between move and copy. When I copy something, the original one is still there, so I've got two of the same thing. If I move something, I transfer it to a new location. If I move this assignment folder, I right-click on Assignments, I click on Cut, because I don't want it there anymore. So I cut it from there and I go to the folder I want it. Let's say the first additional language. Right-click on first additional language and I say Paste. Now, as you can see, it's no longer here now. I moved it. It's now in my English first additional language folder. So the difference between move and cut or move and copy. Copy means you're making the original document will still be there. You have just made a copy and put it in somewhere else. But if you cut something, if you move it from the original location and you put it in another location. That's the difference between move and copy. So you navigate, you see which files you want to move and which files you want to delete or copy. If you want to delete, you select the file so that it's blue or highlighted. you press delete on your keyboard. The file will be deleted. If you want to copy, you right click on the file, you go to copy, you right click where you want to paste it or copy it, and you click on paste. If you want to move it, you right click, you click on cut, and you right click where you want to paste it, and you click on paste.